If you've ever clicked on a Telegram invite link, only to see that frustrating expired link message, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to clear up all the confusion around Telegram expired links, explain exactly why they stop working, and show you the only real safe method to get access if you're locked out. By the end of this video, you'll understand how Telegram's invite system works, why expired links exist, and most important, how you can legitimately join a group or channel even when your link isn't working. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what it actually means when you run into an expired Telegram link. You might see a message that says, "Sorry, this invite link has expired." It's easy to think this is a tech glitch, but in reality, it's a security feature. When administrators create invite links to their groups or channels, they can choose to set an expiry date, a maximum number of uses, or simply revoke a link at any time. This helps keep their community safe and under control. Think of it like closing the door after enough guests have arrived at a party, or when it's time to call it a night. Now, I know it's tempting to search for shortcuts. There are tons of websites and videos out there claiming they can unlock expired Telegram links or promising hacks and tricks to bypass this protection. Let me pause you right there. These so-called solutions either don't work or, far worse, might put your account and privacy at risk. Telegram's rules are strict on this for a reason. Trying to use shady third-party tools can violate the app's terms of service. Plus, you never want to hand over your personal info to unknown tools. There's a real risk of hacking, malware, or your account being compromised. So if you need to get into a group or channel and the link you have has expired, there's really only one legitimate way forward. You'll need to reach out to the administrator of that group or channel directly. Sometimes this takes a bit of detective work. Maybe you have their email address, maybe you can find them on another social platform, or maybe you have a mutual friend who can make the introduction. Whatever route you take, just let them know you want access, explain that your link has expired, and kindly ask for a new invitation. Usually, group admins appreciate when members reach out politely. They want to maintain trust and safety in their space, and this is a normal part of managing online communities. If you've ever wondered why Telegram doesn't allow expired links to be opened, here's an example. Imagine if anybody could force their way into any private group just by using a trick on the internet. It would be impossible for admins to keep their discussions private, protect sensitive information, or manage who's coming and going. It comes down to respect for the rules for the admins and for other members. So remember, expired links are not a bug, they're a feature designed for your safety and the safety of the community. The good news, solving this problem is simple and straightforward, no hacks required. Just open up a conversation with the administrator and ask for a fresh invite. If you found this explanation helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or stories about Telegram links. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more clear, honest tech tutorials. See you in the next one.